Mema Obibia Kwaba EGC News. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm Bremo. US, America, one vice president, friend Kamala Harris Abipio Ghana Mohasi. Na vice president Dr. Muhammad Bawumia Ekushiano. Na mami BP Krum Hanomono, Jubilee House. Jubilee House, trendy pa ye. Esansem Kofu Bre Ekasetia, Kalesa, one decorate Jubilee House. Jubilee House, the lightening system, one year or honomono, one the Ghana colors, and America so colors, na ebimu susu se LGBT4 colors, and NDC4 no Kassetia, one to be money, Renado dan Akufo Addo se wakofa LGBT asade aba. Na ohwe mfoni ewo screen so a eno ne colors a one the decorate Jubilee House, eno ne ebimu susu se LGBT4 colors. Na NDC one nipa baako a friend Erika J wakasa efa ho na answer na yebetie ensema ye Erika J eka ya message say wunya subscribe to the channel na obe subscribe o click subscribe button so dey ekre wo screen ne so na wabele notification no we yan sa ni video bi e be upload no so wonsa ebe kan bi afi wi na wa like video no wa ma thumbs up na fi wa share ama ofoforo so enye bi ahwe Afriyie nkuti Erika J ni nsema odi tubia efa lightening system one di decorate Jubilee House no ye ba ebetie Ghana for comment nsema Ghana for so kafa sansem we nyina ho momentie Erika J ni nsema wodi tubia momentie no
eno second na me say observe President Akufo Addo wo ye nim se wani jige nsem me ka kire wa no me ba you get me wo eja me tikasa pa misro. When I go catch a bro, for pressure ma kuruma, na pressure ba everything is possible. Flagstaff House, and gay designer designing presidents already. Don't we know the gay colors? And this is Kamala Harris Ghana. Near see a lightning system at the presidency. Not presidency, no building a so Ghana flag at Bonnie. Prince, you have it, show it, or Obi. Bonnie. And you want to say that cry this bill no call parliament no can say emra na ehye de ko na ID
proper family and sexual
semra shebedwafo na mugu ho no mo so mo endorse gay sem na mo nye bibi fa woni mu ya aden gay nkomo no mo se bi di wo ha na they should tell us. The whole Jubilee House yesterday, look at the lightning system. What the plans Mr. Ubi afatu afidie so gay colors. Why? Honorable Carlos, nano about Mamutu, gay for signpost and this is what I say. 1 minute, see. Uniana, it is on more headquarters, or Tessa no Herbally, and on national security and Mushu, a Tijana no Mukos or Mako Loki Fino. And now a whole presidency is branded gay color. Why?
Color no, a red, gold, green, color near red, gold, green, America for so near. Other colors into
Ghana flag and gay color need the same. And that color now on the Jubilee House and Ghana flag.
Jubilee House then a rainbow say
debut me say and no puno what the Ghana flag. Now you think.
So America for so come.
Into America no so gay so now more bar. I was say yeah they be please you. Is that what you're telling us? Man penny what they say there what and some way the open the
Yo, it is for winning and some year Erika J. Edit to FIA Jubilee House or say a branded with LGBT colors and until Wakasetia the president Danado Dankwa Akufo Addo. Now, what in some way at two Ghana for be now so reacted to some way ama ebi to be man ebi so as supported in some now what the two Ghana. Ghana for some one kafa yes has we the Francis Kwabena or say, are these colors not the Ghana and US flag colors? Abba, NDC and bitterness. Also, Nidi, I don't know. Where the far down so say, I don't blame him since he can't play Zuma game. How can he identify colors? Some people find it difficult to identify colors. Example, my own brother. Apart from primary colors, the rest are all the same to him. Also, only some what the two, I don't know. Where the Hallelujah GH was say, why didn't we lighten the US colors alone but added Ghana colors? Well, there is this perception that our president is interested in this LGBTQ. Also, Nasem, I don't know. Where the Ivan or say police should pick up this guy to show evidence. We just wake up and just talk, say anything to our president. Why? Anybody at all can just say anything to Mahama and another. Why? We should learn how to respect our leaders in this country. And also need no. And now with the Kweku or say all these people want to rule Ghana. Yeah. And also na no. With the Sewa Brakatu or say in fact this is the main reason why NDC loses power. Baseless and useless propaganda.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Kifilu or say I don't know what is wrong with the host to allow this bitter guy to spew such a big lie and go scot-free without checking him out. I think the NMC, National Media Commission, must do something about this. Also, Nasema what they buy. Where the marks or say, as for this Eric J guy, he speaks, acts and behave as if a complete splitting. Also, the road we say, I'm for Bufu, Abranti, and some of the two Jano wanted to be the mano. Owusu the other by where the craze or say no be rainbow colors that them go legalize them soon. Also need the no. We should the Soboliza or say at this point I feel Ghana does not belong to us anymore. Also Nasema what they buy no. We should the Agyapong Mensah or say do we do the same when officials from other countries visit Ghana on the Asem and the Ubisa? Ghana for people na one chair one drink a fast Kalesia a decorate a year Jubilee House. With the mama or say this not the colors of US flag. This obviously the pride colors, the rainbow colors, which is the color of white in US flag. Also, where is the color of white in US flag? The president needs prayers. Also, Nadia no. You waiting for winning some year Ghana for Eddie to drive far a year. Lightening decoration I wanted the year Jubilee House and I'm gonna for Rebecca Satia also be to me actually wondering a fast and some winning a comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.